From ActionableOps, here's Agents.md. One file in each project folder. Hermes reads it automatically and follows what it says. Hermes already knows who it is. That's SOUL.md. But every project is different stack, different conventions, different rules. Agents.md is where you write that down once per project, and Hermes reads it on its own. Agents.md lives in your project root. Hermes finds it automatically at session start. It joins the system prompt, so the agent already knows your stack, your conventions, and your gotchas before you type a word. No copy-paste, no re-explaining. And it gets smarter. As Hermes navigates into subdirectories during the session, it progressively discovers Agents.md files inside them. Frontend gets its rules, backend gets its rules. No system prompt bloat, no stale context. What goes in it? Architecture, like frontend Next.js, backend FastAPI. Conventions like type hints everywhere, tests in /tests. Important notes like never modify migration files directly. Keep it tight because anything over context file, max chairs, which defaults to 20,000, gets truncated. And the rule that keeps it clean. SOUL.md is who Hermes is, durable across every project. Agents.md is what each project needs. SOUL is identity. Agents is instructions. Don't mix them. That's Agents.md in Hermes, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's ActionableOps.com.